Everyone,
This is Dr. Jitendra Singh Chauhan from Aravali Institute of Technical Studies.
today
We are going to study cryptography. What is cryptography? First of all, cryptography is an indispensable tool for protecting information in a computer system. Means how the information is getting secured. So, the cryptography is a method of protecting information and communications through the use of codes so that only those of whom the information is intended can read and process it. As we see in the figure, cryptography is a tools or technique that converts the plain text into the ciphertext. So first of all, what is plain text? Plain text is that type of text which is readable to everyone, and the ciphertext are those texts which are not understandable by everyone. Only the person which converts the plain text into the ciphertext using some cryptographic algorithms can only read that unreadable format or ciphertext by again decrypting that ciphertext into the plain text. So for the decryption, the legal user will know the algorithm which is used for the encryption. So there are two types. The first one is encryption and second one is decryption. For the encryption means the conversion of the plain text into ciphertext, and decryption means the conversion of the ciphertext, that is unreadable text, into the plain text. Both techniques require some cryptographic algorithm. For the encryption process, a cryptographic algorithm is putted, and for decryption process, the reverse of the same cryptographic algorithms is putted, so that the algorithm works in both the directions. So we found that the cryptography is the art or tools to convert the plain text into the ciphertext using some algorithms. Now cryptanalysis is the another tools or techniques or art to convert the unreadable format or unreadable message, which is also known as the ciphertext, again into the plain text, which we discussed earlier using the cryptographic algorithms in reverse of the method used in the cryptographic process, which which is shown in the figure here.
up to
Now we gone through the techniques of cryptography. We have dealt with the cryptanalysis. Now cryptography is the conversion of plain text to the ciphertext. Cryptanalysis is the conversion of ciphertext to the plain text. Now what is cryptology? Cryptology is the combination of both cryptography and cryptanalysis, means the whole of the process, means the encryption process as well as the decryption process, which is shown in the figure over here. Now we are going through the basic cryptographic techniques. There are a lot of cryptographic techniques. In the basic cryptographic techniques, the cryptography is divided into two parts, that is substitution techniques and the transportation techniques. Like other techniques are also available. Now first of all, we are dealing with the basic cryptographic techniques. In basic cryptographic techniques, Caesar cipher, which we termed as a Caesar cipher, is a part of the substitution cipher. What is substitution cipher? First of all, in substitution cipher, the plain text or the alphabet of a text is replaced by the another alphabet or substitute with the another alphabet. And in the transportation techniques, the alphabet is shifted to somewhere else, means transported to somewhere else, and makes the whole the text in the unreadable format, means in the ciphertext. First of all, the Caesar cipher is a type of substitution technique, which means a plain text alphabets of the plain text are shifted to somewhere else, means substitute to some other substitute with some other alphabet. No, the basic Caesar cipher techniques is given by the Julius Caesar. In this, the alphabets are shifted left by the three alphabets. For example, which is shown in the figure over here, A is shifted with the C, B is shifted with D, E is shifted with F, and so on.
the next
Cryptographic algorithm is rail fence cipher. as we already discussed the difference between substitution techniques and the transportation technique. So the rail fence cipher, or sometimes we call it as a zigzag cipher, is a type of transportation cipher. So it jumbles the order of letters of a message, means put the message in somewhere else or transport the letters of the text somewhere else, so that jumbling occurs and the plain text converted into the ciphertext. So in rail fence, here we put the alphabets of the text like in the manner like the rail fences. First alphabet on the top and the second one is the bottom, and then read this text by left to right, from left to right, and then top to bottom.
In example,
For example, the plain text is, this is a secret message. First of all, we have to note that for in the plain text there are some spaces also encountered, which is discarded or removed in the rail fence cipher techniques while converting from the plain text to the ciphertext. So our plain text is, this is a secret message. Now it can be written as, this is a secret message without spaces. Now for encoding process, what we have to write, we have to make the boxes just shown here. First put the T on the above row, and then H on the below row, then I on the above row, and S on the below row, I on the above row without a space, then S on the below row. This in this way whole of the text is written. Now the text is readed from left to right and then top to bottom to create the ciphertext, which is shown in the figure here, shown below here as T, I, A, E, and the last letter of the first row is G, and after G the H, S, 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 C, E is created. So the ciphertext is created as T, I, A, E, R, T, E, S, G, H, S, 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 C, E, M, S, A, E of the plain text. This is a secret message.